Hey guys, welcome back. So, to go with that salsa Jen just made, we're going to make something delicious. We're going to make a hash. I got some anaheim, I got a banana pepper, I got some garlic, I got a serrano, I got a couple potatoes, got some eggs. I love my eggs, obviously you know that. Got an onion, and we got chorizo, and we got Jen's homemade salsa. So, here we go. We're going to do a hash today. So what I'm going to do to start is just take care of these potatoes. Half a bowl as such. And just take care of one at a time. I like to go across or do a hash, and so here we go. I've halved the half. So there you go, and but there, just make it squares. That's basically what you want to do. That's your main goal in life right now. So we go through. It doesn't have to be perfect. It could be far from perfect. Just as long as you get it cooked through. So. There we go. It's your bowl. And I'll bring you back when I get these done. So right here, I just did, actually, it's just 1.5 of the potatoes. So 1.5 potatoes. And then we're gonna get in on the other stuff. Our anaheim. So let's get that down now. You can use green peppers, whatever you want, pepper-wise. This is not as spicy. It's got a smidge of heat, but it's not that spicy. Definitely use green bells if not. This is a lot spicier than a green bell, but not too bad. So, I gotta serve both of this because obviously I'm starting my potatoes first out on the Blackstone today. So we'll get these over here. Got another little one, and the little anaheim will get him in the mix. I like my stuff peppery. It's gonna be a great hash, especially by the time we get this salsa over here on top of it. That chorizo in it over here. It'll be delicious. Anyway, down, boom. Banana pepper, neutral, pretty neutral. So get him in there too. Hey, if you don't like peppers, just leave the peppers out. I mean, there's no reason to keep them in there at all. So if you don't like them, delete them. If you like them, add more. If you don't, whatever. Serrano. Mr. Serrano. He's a little spicier than a jalapeno. So we're going to put him in there. One of these. There we go. So, with serrano into the mix. Alright. Then we got that. Garlic. Crush it. Peel off him. Then you're just left with the garlic, obviously. And then just bring your knife through it. And you can do this as fine as you want. I mean, if you want little fine chunks, you want big chunks, finer chunks, you got to get more flavor throughout your dish, whatever you're doing. We're just going to give him kind of a rough slash fine dice. Here's a pretty big clove, so that's good enough for me. So here we go. He's going in. Then we got our chorizo, obviously. Last thing we need to bring to the party is an onion. And you know me, I like big chunks of stuff so I can taste it. So we're going to take half this onion right here. And obviously, we've talked about this before. Start down here. Fan your way up so you don't got a big chunk of onion. You get this perfect mousse. And so flip it over like I just did. Fan your way up. You get there. Boom. You get that. I mean, perfect tap mousse. Come on. That's good stuff. Alright, so that all goes in there. Obviously, we are starting our potatoes, which we have done some work on and cubed up on the Blackstone. We're gonna get these going first. Actually got some cheddar cheese that we're gonna throw on the top. And obviously sauce over here. So I'm going to take you out to the Blackstone and we'll put it all together. And we're going to build a delicious breakfast hash that you will want. Hell, you can even have it for dinner. Talk to you later. Hey everybody, we're back. Blackstone's hot. We're going to get this cook going, this hash cook. And good to have you back. We're going to add some oil, obviously, to our Blackstone. We're going to add our potatoes on there, our diced potatoes that we worked really hard on. Halved, and then we got this going on here. And what we're going to do is throw the rest of our stuff on top of it. Just let it ride there and let those potatoes cook on the bottom. So we'll get cooking through. And later, we're going to add some deliciousness on, which would be our chorizo. Our delicious cheddar cheese. Not one, but 2 over easy eggs. So we will go from there, and I'll see you back here in a bit, people. Hey everybody, welcome back. Anyway, we got it going on here. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. There is a lot of salt in this salsa, but we're just going to give these a little bit. Probably just a smidge more of oil on the Blackstone here, because they do sound like they're dried up a little bit. So we'll do that. Got everything going here. We should start to see some color here before long. Not quite yet, but we will. And here we go. That's the sound you want to hear. That's the frying sound. I'll see you back here in a bit. Alright, we're just back for a little quick smidge. Just want everybody to see what's going on here. Gonna add a little fresh cracked pepper. You don't need to add a lot of this. Fresh cracked pepper does do a good job of adding an extra layer of flavor. But we got spice going throughout this thing. What's in there right now with the peppers, what's coming with the salsa. There's a lot of heat coming through here. So we could probably check while you're here, see how we're doing on the other side here. Yeah, we're doing good. Get there. Turn down a little bit. I'm going to actually turn this up just a smidge, and we'll get right back at you. So here we go. We got it about down to where I'm comfortable with it. The potatoes aren't really hard. They got a little bite to them. You can definitely, like I said, do that process along with the lid or whatever. But here's your hash. Here's start with your hash. We're going to add to that hash a little bit right now. We're going to add some chorizo to the party. So we're just going to throw it right there. And we'll get it mixed in. Over, under, whatever. And we'll bring you back. Alright everybody, welcome back. We got our chorizo in here. Now we're gonna focus over here on getting our eggs done because this is about done. So here we go. 2 over easy eggs. So here we go. And there we go. Notes are going. Our hash is looking divine. So what we do is gotta baby set these a bit. A little too hot. I should have put them on there quite that hot, but that's what it is. And it'll be alright. So this pile of deliciousness right here is done. That is our main show. That's our hash. That's our chorizo hash. And we're gonna put it in the middle of the plate here, where he deserves to be. Alright. So we got our chorizo hash. Delicious chorizo hash. Alright, we gotta work on our eggs over here. Just over easy. Over easy. And we'll add those here shortly. Right, so we got our hash here, our delicious chorizo homemade hash. I mean, it's not coming out of a can, it's not coming out of nothing. Potatoes, onions, peppers, you name it. Chorizo, right here. 2 over easy eggs off our Blackstone. Right there. You're right there. So there, people, we got it. The ultimate breakfast. That's some hash that you will love. We'll talk to you later. I'm gonna go taste it. Bye. All right, we're gonna put Jed's awesome salsa that you saw in the last episode right here. This goes directly on top of this, like so. So you get all that deliciousness. Look at that. I mean, come on. Anyway, fork out. So with this, obviously got all our delicious salsa, but we got ready egg everywhere there, which is delicious. So here's what I'm going to do. Amazing. Woo! Spicy, but amazing. Enjoy this recipe. Make this recipe your own. You don't have to do everything I did out there. You can add what you want, take away what you want. But the one thing I don't want you to forget, don't forget to add the egg to it. It's delicious. And don't forget to do the salsa. The salsa is amazing. Jen did a good job on the salsa. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Love you guys. Bye.